Let's see how to download and install Google Photos on your MacBook. First, you need to turn on Wi-Fi and then open the browser you usually use. Just open Safari. You can literally use any browser and click the search and type Google Photos. Search and click sign in. Here click the profile and here you can switch the Google account. If you want to add another account, click add another account and sign in with that account. For me, it is this one. Here you can see all the saved photos and videos on Google Photos. After this, click File and Add to Dock and click Add. That's it. It's installed. Now close this browser. We don't need this anymore. Here you can see Google Drive has been downloaded. You just click the apps. Here also you can see Google Photos. Open that and it will directly open to your Google Photos cloud. This is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about Google Photos, you need to watch this playlist.